Hi friends, this video shows how to add multiple Google TV accounts. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Set add an account. Go down, select sign in on TV instead. Here we need to enter Gmail ID. Then submit. And here we need to enter password. Then submit. And here we need to enter 6-digit verification code from the phone. Then submit, select accept. Again select accept. Here we need to select confirm. Done. So this way we can add multiple Google TV account. Let me verify. Go to top left corner, select switch accounts. Here you can see newly added account John. We can also go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Here also you can find that newly added account John Sam. So this way we can add multiple Google TV accounts. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.